Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm gonna try one of these Gunslingers football. This has 5 factory sealed packs, including 2 hobby packs, and one of these bonus cards has Dak, Zeke, and my boy Carson Wentz. So let's see what we get. These are the packs that are included. So let's open it up. Really didn't want to try these, but I said, oh well, what the heck? What have I got to lose? I'll wait for that special or bonus card, but here's 2015 Leaf Draft, 2015 Draft Pick Prism, 2, and then 2 of these 2013 Prestige. I'm gonna do these first, older ones. Matt Shaw, Tamba Haley, EJ Manuel rookie, Percy Harvin, and Darrell Revis. Wes Welker, Tavares Jackson, Philip Thomas rookie, Malcolm Floyd, and Darren Sproles. Nothing there. There's the 2015 Leaf Draft. Max Williams, Jalen Strong, Josh Robinson, Vic Beasley, and Taylor Kelly. Nothing there either. Alright, not with the 2015 Prism draft picks. Alright. Reggie Wayne, RG3, Prism of Matt Ryan, Cody Fajardo, and Haoli Kikia. Wow, I have no idea what that. And the last pack. Alright, looks like we have something here. So let me see. Kevin White, Lorenzo Malden, Teddy Bridgewater, Tony Romo, and Jesse. Whoa, look at that. Nice. Jesse James Camo Auto. Looks like number 2's on there, but still, not bad. Are these numbered? I do not see where they're numbered. Well, I guess not. Not bad though. Look at that. Now for the bonus card. Dak Prescott. And the back has Troy Aikman, Super Bowl MVP. My wife's gonna like this. She's a Cowboy fan. I'm not, but anyway. That will be it. These are the two big hits, or the Jesse James Penn State Camo Auto, and these are included in the box as well. That will be it. Thanks for watching.